Hello, welcome students. I am Dr. Tanmay Vishwash. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry of Molecules. So today we will discuss a MCQ, multiple choice question, better to say probable question. This question I have found from the book and I have made this question. From the book information I got, I made this question. I believe this question may be useful for you for exams like this NET, GATE or JAM. Okay, so this is related to the heterocyclic chemistry. So let's start. First of all, I will say that first we will try to predict what is the product and I will try to describe how you have to think in exam hall to solve the question faster. So let's start. See, this is a pyridine N-oxide with this 3 carbon unit. First it is treated with HBr heat. Second, it is treated with sodium hydroxide and heat. What is the product? Question is, what is the structure? 4 options are given in front of you. As always, I suggest you please pause the video and try by yourself. So in this way you will learn. I believe you have paused and tried by yourself. Let me explain the answer. So question is, what this HBr will do? You may think that first of all, 2 options possible. That either this will protonate this OH, we know. Second is that it can make this OH into OH2 plus. But in this protonation reaction is reversible for both also. Okay. So what can happen? The non-protonated species which remains in equilibrium can attack this. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 3 carbon species. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, no. This. 5, 6. This is a 6 member ring formation. Reaction is easy. So what is expected? It will happen. So what is the product? So the product is this is the O plus charge. This is a 6 member ring. Okay, so it will leave OH2 is a neutral leaving group, good leaving group. Fine. So this now this is the first step. What is the next step? Any OH and heat. So what can happen? Okay. C. 3 carbon. This. So, if you look at the molecule, first of all, there is a chance that it can attack, it may leave. So, 2 hydroxyl thing possible, lots of things. But what will happen? Actually, the proton will be abstracted from here. Question 5. That's the most important thing. See, this proton is similar like nitrogen cation, means alpha to this. Okay, so this, sorry, not this. So this means like, you can say this alpha proton of carbonyl type. More than that, it's a protonated species. So, and the after abstraction, the proton, the corresponding anion, this minus, is expected to be resonance stabilized. By this, it will, so what will be the canonical form? So canonical form is this nitrogen, this neutral, this is the stabilization of the charge. Okay, so this positive, negative stabilize and neutral. So very facile. Okay, that is the reason it will be abstracted. This, so anion will be generated. So this is the O plus charge, this minus. This is resonance stabilized. How? Let me draw. So this charge will push here and it will open. So the structure is this. I agree. You will say, is it visible? Yes, visible. You will instantly say, sir, that aromaticity is destroyed. I agree. But it's a canonical form. Some part of the structure could be like that. Fine. So, but this way aromaticity is destroyed. So reaction will try to follow some other track. How? It can even push here. If it pushes here, then this bond will come here and it can come here. So what is the consequence? Consequence is this negative, this is the CH2, this is the double bond. After that this bond breaks. So this is the CH2 plus CH2. Okay. So now final product. Which option resembles to this? So this is the answer. I know the question is pretty difficult. Means generally it is very difficult to understand what could be the answer. So now let's we got this answer. Now in the exam, how do we address? So first of all, in the exam we will not write everything. We will think from brain. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the relation? Second, HBr. You can think that okay, OH2 plus may be possible. I agree. You may think that it may convert it into Br. Same consequence. A good leaving group. So if it attacks this, it will leave. So a cyclic intermediate will form first. So this we understood. A cyclic intermediate. So this type of intermediate we will draw. Within 10 seconds we can do it. After that this. So what are the possible? That anion will be generated fine. And second option is that it will attack here. But if it attacks here, ultimately N-oxide will generate. That's not stable. So what is the option? That it can attack, and in this way it can resolve. So within 1 minute you can have this idea. Condition. So what is the condition to be that much efficient? Read pyridine N-oxide. I have uploaded videos about this pyridine N-oxide. So please read these videos and it will be helpful for understanding you the complete idea. So that is the reason we should learn the basic chemistry notes properly. Generally, I have heard that people says, do read very less and solve the questions. In this way, you can solve. Generally, they don't mention read very less. Some people say, okay, read something and solve the 10 years question. But few questions we have. First of all, if your concept is not completely clear, how can you solve the question? First. Second, is the 10-year question will be repeated? No question in these exams are repeated. New questions are expected to come. So if you read less, how can you answer the next way? New question. So that is the reason you should learn the basic concept as maximum as you can. And nowadays, I agree, the questions are difficult. When I cleared my NET exam, questions were easy. If I compare my time versus this time. So that's why it is essential. Please read the videos. I wanted to give you a proof that is a small reaction, how difficult to answer this question. So this is, but don't worry, I am trying my best, and you also, I think you are reading, will be able to perform best. So thing is like that. This is the end of this discussion. So if you like my teaching, please help my channel to grow. First of all, subscribe my channel Chemistry and Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get the notification of every single video I upload. Secondly, share this video among your friends so that many people may be aware about my effort and they may be benefited from my effort. And most importantly, please like this video and make some good comments, or I would rather suggest please write your opinion about this video, because after many days I have prepared some MCQ related questions. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay motivated, try hard. I believe that you will be successful. All the best.